Wait. Stop eating.
Press start.
I did. Okay.
Yes. Oh yes. My bad. I'm.
We're gonna eat fast. Okay. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. That ain't even how I start my videos off. What's up, Dog Squad? Welcome back to another. Shut up. Sit down. What's up, Dog Squad? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Ania Marze. Tonight we are doing a mukbang. I made nachos, y'all. He has not stopped eating since I brought him his plate. He waited about 20 seconds and then start eating. He eating regular nachos. I'm eating nachos with lettuce, tomatoes, and sour cream on it. So basically like taco salad. And my dog Princess won't stop barking. So yeah, come to this video. Introduce yourself.
I had a mouthful of food.
Y'all, it's late.
I'm Poppy Popular though. It's nice to meet y'all YouTubers. I'm busy eating though, so it's hard for me to talk. This shit is very good. Real warm as hell.
I got some Minute Maid juice, y'all. Can you pass me my cup, please? So I got a big cup. I'm gonna see what time it is, because it's late, y'all. I'm talking about. I bet said I was gonna do this video yesterday.
Ain't that late.
It's 11:21.
Oh, yeah, we getting up. Still early.
But yeah. My whole head big.
Club done close here too, you know what I mean? Hey, this shit good.
Let me show y'all the plate.
Trying to tell you. Trying to tell them.
I got some, y'all. I like those good, but they so spicy. That's why I got such a big cup of juice. Be quiet, y'all. A little bit, and I'm tired. I'm hungry. I ain't ate all day because I was busy yesterday, so I didn't get to clean up. So today I cleaned up. But I went to sleep. I cleaned up the front room and the kitchen, then I went to sleep, and then I cleaned up the room and the restroom and the closet.
It's that shit, y'all. For real. I swear to God.
Oh, but I had no meat on that.
Put that on everything.
Your mouth hot? Is your mouth hot?
Your pot?
Is your mouth hot?
Hell yeah. Like a motherfucker. Alright. Sheesh.
I can't sit there. And not drink something. What the hell? You must think your motherfucking invincible. You got cheese on your chin.
Yeah, she getting out of hand. She get out of hand. But now, only reason I don't want to drink nothing is because I don't want to get full yet. I'm trying to leave room to finish these. You dig?
But then, like...
Oh, shit, this shit on my chin, like... Oh, I'm not tripping.
You tripping. That's your hair.
Oh, shit. Ain't that some shit?
Yeah.
My goddamn hair's rubbing together and shit.
You said, it's on my chin.
I'm thinking it's the cheese. The cheddar.
Princess! Stop. Cause you bad. Y'all, I put lettuce and tomatoes and all this stuff in here, like, you know, hoping to cool it down. And I mean, it did a little bit. But it's still spicy. Spicy, mommy, hot tamale. It's those chips stacked up. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we'll drink something.
Because you almost done.
Yes. Yes. I almost said nah, but something slight. Something slight.
Oh, brain freeze. That juice cold.
Mm-hmm.
Put a lot of ice cubes in there.
A lot of ice cubes.
A lot of ice cubes. Trying to drop that temperature. Yeah, this is going to be a really quick mukbang. Because we were watching a movie. And it's late. Like, but a lot of people have been wanting a mukbang. And I'm sorry, because I know that this mukbang is really, probably very boring. But it's okay, because I will be back with another one. Not tomorrow, but soon. You know? Soon. You could drop requests down below of things you would like to see me cook or places you would like to see me go eat. And I'll go there.
And we eats.
A lot.
Love eating. Love it. Crave it.
I just ain't got time to sit in front of the camera every day. 100 times a damn day. all day, every day. I think and even if I am home all day, like, I'm just sitting no camera.
I'm blown away by the...
Because I was watching a movie. And I just said, oh yeah, let's go like that. I'm gonna end this mukbang when he's done eating, so we can go back to enjoying a movie. Cause I eat way slower than he does, and like I just said, this is gonna be a short mukbang.
This shit is good. That's all I can just say. What's up? This shit good.
He never really eat while he talking. He never really talk while he eating. Princess, stop. You bad.
Y'all can see Princess is like the, yeah, do stuff while we try to do stuff. It's like she knows the attention is not on her.
You're a bad girl. I'm telling y'all, that little girl is bad. And when she get pop, she like to think we wrong. The shit is sit down.
Let me taste your taco salad. Damn.
What?
Damn, I feel like
Grab it.
I want to make sure I get like
Everything.
hell yeah. This a big ass taco chip I had. I got it, dog. Got it.
Good, huh? I know why you was talking shit about it. Yeah, he's so. Yes, you
I
did.
fuck with taco salad.
No, remember when I said I was gonna turn my nachos into taco salad when we were in a grocery store? You was like, "Ugh, that shit nasty." You was talking your little trash.
Nah, I eat taco salad though.
Well, that matter. You was talking your little trash when I said I'm turning these nachos into taco salad.
Cause
Now you eating it.
nachos over taco salad still. Cause these nachos is bomb. That taco salad bomb too, man.
The taco salad is nachos just with stuff added. It's just loaded nachos. Taco salad is loaded nachos. Who don't like loaded stuff? All you gotta do
loaded
add some
nachos
bacon.
is loaded nachos. Taco salad.
So what's
is
loaded
taco
nachos?
salad.
This is the healthy version of loaded nachos. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Yes, this is the healthy version of loaded nachos. All I gotta do is throw some turkey meat in there.
What is loaded nachos?
What you mean? Loaded nachos is nachos with extra shit on top of it.
No, because first of all, shit don't go on top of nachos. Nachos is basically queso dip and chips.
Okay.
That's a taco salad.
No, that's loaded nachos.
So if you put
Guys,
what you got
let me
on
know
top
down
of
below.
corn tortilla
Let me
chips,
know down below if you think that this is loaded nachos. Like if you think that taco salad qualifies for loaded nachos. Tell me if you are using, because I use
loaded
cheese,
nachos.
cheese,
Nachos is a dip.
I use nachos.
That's
What
not
you
a
mean?
dip.
This is a watery, dippy cheese.
No,
And I
that is-
use
that is
yes
a-
it
that
is.
is a
Yes it
salad.
is. No,
Nachos is a dip.
no. If I use that, tell me, guys, tell me down below in the comment section if taco salad. No, be quiet. Tell me down below in the comment section if taco salad is loaded nachos. If it's the healthy version of loaded nachos. Because if you go, listen, I asked it. You asked Siri. Because listen, if you go, let me with him. If you go, listen, because he won't stop talking. Let me put my AirPods in so y'all can hear me.
They still can't hear me. I'm right here.
No, they're gonna hear me.
I'm next to your mic. Taco salad is loaded nachos.
Anywho,
that's the funniest shit I've ever heard.
Wow, he's over there talking to himself. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section if y'all think that loaded nachos, that taco salad. Stop. Y'all. Excuse him. Okay, so, guys, serious this time. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section if taco salad is just another version of loaded nachos. Like the healthy version, you know? Like, if you go to a place that's all about loaded nachos, like, okay, I live in Houston. Houston got the baked potato factory. That's all about stuffed baked potatoes, like big old baked potatoes that got extra stuff in it. If they had a place that was about loaded nachos, wouldn't they have something like this? Like, tell me this is not healthy. Okay, so thank you. Because all of them just let me know down below in the comment section that I was right.
No. Because how we go from nachos to taco salad.
Yeah, this dude got 4 chips left on his plate.
To potatoes.
What you mean? I didn't say
taco
potatoes.
salad, potatoes, basically. Taco salad.
I just brought up the baked potato factory. Let me take my headphones out so they can hear you. Because I don't think they can hear you. Okay, so, anyways, what were you saying?
All I'm saying is, you have loaded nachos and you have taco salad.
Oh, no, you brought up why did I bring up baked potatoes. I was bringing up baked potatoes to say that it's a baked potato factory. That's this place all about baked potato, like different baked potatoes, and they got a healthy baked potato. And so if I had a place all about loaded nachos, I would have a healthy version of loaded nachos, which would be taco salad. Nachos with ground turkey meat. This is not ground turkey meat though. But I'll have nachos with ground turkey meat, a healthy choice of cheese, and salad toppings and stuff, you know? Because you're healthy.
Yeah, so we're not negating that it's healthy.
Okay, and so what I'm saying is this is the healthy version of loaded nachos.
Well, we're not gonna do that because nachos are nachos and taco salad is taco salad.
When your face isn't in the camera, you weren't heard. You know how we tell Princess, shut up.
Loaded nachos.
That's because if you aren't in the camera, you can't be heard. So. There you go, back in the camera.
Yeah, loaded nachos and you got taco salad. If no one catches you, it never really happens.
Guys, he's asleep. I mean, he's like he's asleep. He's sleepy.
Tired.
So he's a little bit delirious. Y'all heard him. He said he's tired. So he was delirious.
Yeah.
That's what he's saying right now.
I'm talking about I'm yawning. Tired.
Oh, you want me to end the video now? So we can watch a movie?
Yeah, you can. You definitely can.
Okay. Well,
You did.
I ate a lot of my plate. So,
A lot.
yeah, what you mean? I had way more than you. Get off my row.
You gonna said a lot. I mean, it's probably a lot for you. You right. Let me not be like that. It probably is a lot for you.
You know I eat slow.
I feel like that ain't a lot.
You know I eat slow.
But it's
You watch any other mukbangs I did? If you watch any other mukbangs I did, I could be eating 12 wings. I'm gonna be at the table for about an hour.
Well, give me 12 wings.
You gonna be done in about 15 minutes.
Like 30, 45 minutes. Maybe an hour if I'm on camera. I can see that.
Yeah, but you don't talk.
Yeah, I know. I get straight to it.
But that's the point. Mukbanging is about talking, like,
yeah,
you know.
I be eating, but I talk when I get the chance. I guess you know, but man,
yeah. Okay, so that's just what we gonna be doing. I'm gonna be slow eating, y'all know.
Eating like a motherfucker.
While he fast eat, I'm just talk to y'all about, pick a topic to talk about that day. So y'all can leave topics down below that y'all would like me to talk about on mukbangs while he flies through his plate. And then we'll go into, you know, this regular conversation.
Oh God, because all I'm going to do is eat my food. But once I'm done eating my food, I'm going to talk my shit. So, yeah, that's how it's going to go. She'll be talking her shit and eating and walking y'all through what we eating. And I'll be eating like a motherfucker until I'm done. And then when I'm done, I'm going to be talking that big cash shit, man. Oh, yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, so I don't know when I'm dropping this video. Let me not say that. I'm dropping this video tomorrow. Today is Today is 7/14 at 11:14 at 11:41. Today is July 14th at 11:41 that I'm recording this video, 11:41 p.m. I'm going to drop this video no later than July 16th at 5 p.m. If I drop this video any later than that, feel free to get on my ass in the comments. Anywho, yeah, that's the end of this video. Peace out, dog squad. I'll see y'all in the next one.